Hello, hello. Where are we at?
The Narrows Reserve.
The Narrows Reserve. This is like in our backyard, yet we've never we've never visited. We've never been here. And we're gonna do, I don't know, we haven't figured out the mileage, but another frosty morning. It's like 23, 24 degrees. I'm actually starting to hike still with my coffee, and let's see what we get into. So I just stopped here. I do not have my macro lens set up, but I put on my 70 to 200 here, and I love the way the frost was kind of sitting on this little lone leaf that landed here on this log. So here you go. So I just stopped. I walked down into this little, I don't know, it's not really, kind of an oxbow pondish. It's when this floods up, it kind of comes in here and it sets, and it's cold enough that this has frozen up. And I liked some of the little leaves kind of down here in the ice, and then how there's some kind of floating on what looks like water now. I had hoped to cut down at least half of the reflection there, and the way it froze kind of all bubbly, even with my polarizer, I couldn't really knock it all out. So I just lowered the depth of field for a few shots to see if I could celebrate it, and let's see what they look like. So we're just hiking around here. I'll do the spin. Kind of a cool spot here this morning, down on a little sand or rock bar. And we're kind of at the end of the river walk or river trail. We're not exactly sure exactly how it how it continues. There's some other smaller trails in here. We ran out of signage a little bit ago, but nothing, I don't know, just a really peaceful, we haven't seen another soul down here. It's just us. Really peaceful morning. I don't know how much longer we can hold out. Alana's back's bothering her a little bit. That's something we've been struggling with off and on. Almost 3 years. Some days she's fine, some days she's not. Today she's in a little bit of pain. So we've definitely slowed down, and I don't know how many, I don't know if we're gonna explore the whole place or not, but we'll see. Well, I think that's it. This is going to be a pretty short and sweet one. We were just about ready to start a different loop that would have added about a mile, but our son Keegan wasn't responding to his phone, and we noticed he should have been heading to work. So we started our way back out sort of briskly, and now it's got us a bit out of the mood. So we're just taking a new way back to the truck, see what else we get into. That's a wrap. Smash, subscribe, like, share, Care Bear stare. Thanks.
parameters.
Did you just fart?
No, I said.